Hello, guys. So, welcome back to another Common Sense with Freddy. This is your capacity builder. Like you all know, I focus on sharing with you opportunities that will increase your capacity. When I mean capacity, increasing your well of knowledge to make informed decisions. And you guys know I'm the founder of Zit Worldwide, a virtual coaching platform. I coach, I mentor, and I train. I train on several IT certifications, supporting young people to transition from menial jobs to a six-figure job around the world. And I also support them to securing remote jobs wherever they are in the world. And just in case you're watching me on YouTube channel, please check the link below my video, and not just subscribe, but you can use any of those links and reach out to me through my website, through our different courses that we offer, through different masterclass, name them, to help you make informed decisions. So it's going to be a crime if you come to this world, you don't make money. Yes, I don't care wherever you are, whether you're a village champion, wherever you are, if you don't make money, I am sorry to let you know that the life after here, you don't have control over it. You're not going nowhere. I know they tell us about a lot of stuff like you're going to heaven, you're going to hell. I am sorry. I don't think such do exist. Those are all human ideologies and philosophies. So you choose not to believe them. But while you're alive, okay, now live a good life. All right. So today I want to talk to you guys about learning tech skills instead of engaging in religious activities. Now, a lot of you listening to me or coming to my channel, you know I'm an African child. And I would not stop discussing this because we grew up with the narrative that everything is spiritual. Oh, we have to be religious. We have to go to religious centers. And we spend significant amount of time to go to those religious centers. And now that I've grown, and contrary to this fact, at some point in my life, I had to shift away from such narrative and focus on capacity building. Now, I can tell you confidently, without continuous and relentless improvement, I will not be here speaking with you. I will not be a global coach that I am today. It's not possible. So, attending religious centers activities, I am sorry, it's not going to increase your capacity. It's just going to make you a local champion. Do you understand? Because whatsoever that you expose your mind to, whatever narrative, whatever opportunity that you expose your mind to, that will define you. Now, look around you. The life we live, the things we do, they are all driven by STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So if the life we live, if the things you do, if the operations, all the activities you do around you, they are driven by science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Even the religious activities that you are engaging in, you can't do without science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The question is this: what solution do you also provide that will earn you a substantial income from the religious activities that you are engaging? And if you check in the religious activity, it's just one person or two people that are cashing out. Are you also cashing out? But I'm introducing you to the tech world where science, engineering, mathematics, and technology is the order of the day. I am introducing you to areas where your skills can be harnessed and you will cash out. But it will demand you to spending your time to study, to brainstorm, to research, to practice, Nothing good is going to come easy. Yes, nothing good it is going to come easy. You have to determine to make that effective paradigm shift. Now, your finances is going to continually dwindle. You are going to be financially broke for the longest time, because financial freedom comes when you can produce or create or solve a problem. And you don't solve problems by religious activities. Never. You don't. Or whatever you see or you read, they are nothing but scripted narrative. But you see, with tech skills, you find solution, you create them, you establish solutions, and you get paid for them. And I have shared several IT trainings and certification. You can choose to join my masterclass, where I will share significant amount or knowledge about tech skills and opportunity. Use the link below this video and take a shot at it. Visit my website www.zitworldwide.com and you will see and you will find those opportunities. So what are you waiting for? I need you to change this narrative. If you can do that for yourself, your generation yet unborn will be grateful that you made that paradigm shift. I know it's contrary to what we were told or what we were shared with, but it's not helping. We are sinking the more. Why? Because technology is far from us. We are a religious-driven society back in motherland in Africa, but that's not what the world is tending to as of today, 2024. See you all at the top, because the bottom is crowded.